Uy, sensitive din ba skin mo? Nagkaka-rashes ka rin ba sa disposable panty liners? Try mo tong Amigas Tikea Cloth Panty Liners. Ayan oh. We have two varieties. Bambi Panty Liner, dinesign namin yan na may leak-proof material para nagagamit natin during spotting days or pahabol days, yung patapos na yung period natin. Or kahit yung abang-abang days, baka nasa labas tayo, bigla tayong magkaroon. Aside from that, maganda rin tong backup ha sa mga menstrual cup user na merong slight leakage. While itong Arayat Panty Liner, dinesign talaga namin to na wala siyang leak-proof material. Kaya ayan oh, super thin and super breathable talaga nito. Ito yung ideal as our everyday panty liner para hindi nagmamansya-mansya yung panty natin around here sa mga white discharge natin. Pag tinry nyo talagang gamitin tong Amigas Tikea Cloth Panty Liner, nako, you will be saying goodbye talaga dyan sa mga kati-kati and rashes natin. Ayan oh, you'll be feeling comfy, clean, and fresh all day. So, cart nyo na.